Welcome to Let's Do It 5.6. This is a short little Let's Do It that actually is kind of a follow-up to LDI 5.5, where we have that sort of triangular shaped distribution again, but this time they're continuous instead of being discrete. In other words, we've got these curves here, or these lines, instead of having those frequency plots like we did in the previous LDI. So we have a distribution of a variable as given as below. Is the distribution symmetric or not? Well, we talked about this a little bit in the previous LDI, and as a matter of fact, no, it's not. It doesn't have the type of symmetry that we're interested at this point, so the correct answer is going to be no. What is the numerical value of the median of this distribution? Well, if you do a little bit of your geometry from back in the day, you'll realize that the height is a quarter, that the base is 2, 1/2 the base times the height, and it turns out that this area in here is going to be 50%, okay? And we know that the area, let me get my pen going here, and the area over here is again going to be 50%, so we have 50% in each side of the distribution, okay? So that tells us that if it's 50 below 4 and 50 above 4, then the median has got to be exactly equal to 4, all right? Okay, now which one of the following should we pick as far as respect to the mean? Is the mean going to be equal to 4, less than 4, or larger than 4? Well, if you recall from our previous LDI that we just did in 5.5, we saw what happened. We realized that the weight had been shifted in this distribution so that most of the weight is down towards between 0 and 4, okay? And so we know that the mean in this case would end up being less than 4, all right? So if you want a reference to the y, think about what we just did back in the previous LDI. Alrighty then, so that's a short one, and I'll see you all back here soon.